So you're ready to start your job hunt. Well, Adobe and ChatGPT have you covered. I'm going to show you how easy it is to do those final crucial edits right inside ChatGPT using Adobe Acrobat's trusted tools. It saves so much time. First, we need to ensure that the apps are connected. Go to Settings, then Apps and Connectors. We'll select Adobe Acrobat and click Connect. And now let's get to work on getting you that job. To activate the tool, click the plus sign in the chat box. From the menu that appears, hover over More and select Adobe Acrobat. Next, let's create a prompt asking Adobe Acrobat to create a single PDF by merging my resume, cover letter, and references. Now we'll upload the files directly into the chat. Once uploaded, we can edit the order. I'll move the cover letter so it shows up before the resume. Next, I'll click Combine and watch the magic. Acrobat combines the documents, creating a single PDF. The document is now ready to download or edit. But wait, I realized we missed the company name in the cover letter. To fix this, we'll prompt Acrobat to edit the document. Click Edit, make any corrections, and select Close to go back to our chat. Now we can download it and it's ready to go. And that's it. Your application package is polished, personalized, and ready to impress. With Acrobat and ChatGPT, you can focus on landing your dream job, not wrestling with your documents. Try it now and see how easy job hunting can be.